obviously people from the business side will have to be involved, but joint decisions are taken in terms of how the project is going to work, what is going to be the functional inputs, what is going to be the technical inputs. So the bifurcation happens basically for the functional inputs, although CIO is involved, but more and more business people get involved and they become the stakeholders for the functional inputs in a big project. Whereas the technical side lies entirely with the CIO, and how this project is going to get executed, on what kind of platform it is going to get executed to get the best value for money.